The Grandharvest Herbal Fertilizer Kit is a herbal crop care solution designed to support every stage of plant growth from seed to harvest. This powerful kit includes 5 scientifically formulated herbal products. 1. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Seed Protector. Protects seeds from fungal and bacterial pathogens. Enhances germination rate and seedling vigor. Ensures uniform sprouting and strong plant emergence. 2. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Soil Enhancer. Increasing soil organic carbon and beneficial microbes. Improves soil structure, porosity, soil conditioning and water retention. Restores soil fertility and supports long-term productivity. 3. Grandharvest Bioorganic Solid Fertilizer Herbal Root Protector. Promotes deeper and stronger root development. Shields roots from soil-borne infections and rot. Builds a resilient foundation for plant health. 4. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Vegetative FJ73. Accelerates vegetative growth with essential nutrients. Enhances chlorophyll production and leaf expansion. Supports plant immunity during early growth stages. 5. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Flowering, Fruiting and Stress Buster FJ37. Promotes early and healthy flowering and improves crop yields. Reduces crop stress during heat or pest attacks. Minimizes flower and fruit drop, increasing total harvest. Together, they work in perfect synergy to replace chemical fertilizers like DAP, urea, macro, and micronutrients. This herbal fertilizer boosts plant health, improves soil organic carbon, enhance soil conditioning, improve soil fertility, increase yields, and enhance the overall quality of produce, all while preserving nature. Safe, eco-friendly, and certified, this kit empowers farmers to shift towards sustainable, high-performing organic agriculture without compromising productivity.